If you're seeing GOG error code E9, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you two simple fixes that can solve the problem fast. This is a common issue that can happen when GOG Galaxy doesn't have the right permissions, or when the game files need to be checked and repaired. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a couple of minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is run GOG Galaxy as an administrator. This gives the app the proper permissions it may need to launch games and access files correctly. To do that, find the GOG Galaxy shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Once GOG Galaxy opens with admin rights, go ahead and try launching your game again. In many cases, that alone can clear up the E9 error because the launcher now has the access it needs. But if the problem is still there, the next step is to verify and repair the installation. To do that, look for the game inside GOG Galaxy and find the icon next to the play button. Click that icon, then choose Manage Installation from the menu. Inside that section, select Verify/Repair. This tells GOG Galaxy to scan the game files, check for anything missing or corrupted, and automatically fix the installation if needed. Now just wait while the verification runs. Depending on the size of the game and your computer speed, this may take a few minutes. When it finishes, try launching the game again. In most cases, these two steps are enough to fix GOG error code E9 and get everything working normally again. If the issue is resolved, great, you're ready to play. If not, the next thing I'd recommend is checking for any pending updates to GOG Galaxy or restarting your PC before trying again. Small permission or file issues are often solved with a clean restart after the repair process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix GOG error code E9 quickly. If it did, please give the video a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.